Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Oh, lovely blue metallic, one of the prettiest colours they do this car in. Hyundai TUCSON 1.6, it's a petrol GDI, it's an SE model, nav, so satellite navigation, Euro 6, obviously ULEZ compliant, start, stop. So 1.6 petrol manual, 59,000 miles, 6 services, and actually just been serviced. So 14,000, 20,000, 31, 41, 51 and 59. Comes with 2 keys. Now SE Nav, cloth trim but reverse camera. Now it came standard with rear park sensors, but the gentleman's had a very nice job and has had front park sensors fitted. You would never know they are not aftermarket from the outside of the car. There is a little separate button on the dash to turn them on and off, but fitted and colour coded beautifully. They look like they've been there from new. Recent tyres as well, lovely clean thing. £10,295, 10,292, 2019, 59,000 miles with good service history and a lovely car. Wheels, super clean. Alloys, no corrosion, lovely, lovely, lovely. No scuffs, not stone chipped. 59,000 miles. Inside, got the cloth trim with the sportier seats. Two-tone cloth trim, quite like that. It's got the original TUCSON mats. Multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, lots of connectivity for your music, Bluetooth, reverse camera, big clear reverse camera, front and rear park sensors, mats are in the back too, front and rear park sensors, and this one has a space saver spare wheel. Not sure whether that was standard or whether the last owner retrofitted it. Reverse cameras up under there, lovely and clean in the boot. We haven't valeted this car. Spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace. We will give it a valet, but we've just washed it, put some shine on the tyres, but it's a lovely, lovely car. It's kept it nice and clean. So 6 services, 59,000 miles, just been serviced. MOT till the 9th of the 10th. 2026. Recently some pads on the front, they look like new, matching tyres, very, very nice. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Driver's seat is in lovely condition. There's a little extra button there for the front park sensors, very neat. Satellite navigation, 6-speed manual. £10,295 on a 2019, done 59,000 miles. Lovely car, really pretty. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.